Hey kids, are you ready to draw one of the coolest cartoon characters ever? Let's draw Bart Simpson. First, let's start with the outer shape of his face. Draw the outline of his head, and don't forget his spiky hair. It looks like a crown made of triangles. Did you know Bart is known as the ultimate prankster in the Simpsons family? He loves skateboarding and causing mischief. Next, let's add Bart's big smile. Draw a wide curve for his mouth. He's always up to something funny. Now, draw his neck and then the outline of his body. Bart wears a simple outfit, so this part is easy. Time to add details. Draw two big round eyes, a small curved nose, and a pair of ears on the sides of his head. Fun fact, Bart's full name is Bartholomew Jojo Simpson, but everyone just calls him Bart. Did you know he's been 10 years old since 1989? Time sure works differently in cartoons. Now for the fun part, coloring. Use yellow for his face, neck, and hands. Bart is as bright as the sun. Then, grab some red for his shirt. Don't forget to color his spiky hair yellow too. And there you have it, your very own Bart Simpson drawing. Share your masterpiece with your friends and tell them all about Bart's funny adventures in Springfield. Bye for now. See you next time.